In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to activate and enable VCA. Before video analytics can be enabled, it must be activated. VCA can be activated on a device by entering an activation code on the activation web page. Activation codes are unique to each device and can only be generated by a hardware supplier. In order to generate an activation code, you need to send the hardware code on the device to your hardware supplier. They will then send you an activation code back that will enable the required VCA features. The hardware code can be found by clicking on Setup, selecting the VCA link, clicking on Activation, and then copying the hardware code as shown on the screen. The hardware code is sent to your hardware supplier and an activation code is sent back. Once the activation code has been received from your hardware supplier, it is simply a case of entering the code into the appropriate box as illustrated. Enter the activation code and then click Apply. A warning message appears informing you that the new license may overwrite any licenses stored in the unit. Click OK. If the activation code is valid, the activated features will be displayed in the installed licenses box as shown on the screen. Once VCA has been activated, you need to enable it by clicking on the Enable Disable link and changing the VCA status from off to on. Click Apply and wait for a few moments. At this point, I have increased the speed of the video to save time. Now that VCA is enabled, you have access to a number of extra links that are used to set up video analytics as shown in the menu.